this time we go coast to coast and rhyme to rhyme.
There she go. Microphone check. Check it.
That's right. Now with no further ado, yo Cube, tell them what they gotta do.
You better check yourself or you wreck yourself, cause I'm bad for your health. I come real stealth, dropping bombs on your moms, kill call arms. Do a foul crime, I'm the nigga with the Alpine. Sold it for a 6-0, always let tricks know, and friends know we got that in yo. No, I'm not a sucker, sitting in the house of pain. And no, I'm not the butler, I'll cut ya, headbutt ya. You say I can't touch this, and I wouldn't touch ya. Fuck motherfucker, here to let you know, boy, oh boy, I make dope. But don't call me dope boy, this ain't no fucking motion picture. I got your picture, my nigga get with ya and hit ya, taking that yak to the neck. So you better run a check. Chickity check yourself before you wreck yourself. Chickity check yourself
Before you wreck yourself.
Chickity check yourself before you wreck yourself. Cause shotgun bullets are bad for your health. Microphone check.
1, 2.
Microphone check. 1, 2. Microphone
What you
check.
gonna do?
Come on, Tricks wanna step the cube and then they get played, cause they bitch made pulling out a switchblade. That's kinda trifle, cause that's a knife hole. AK-47 assault rifle. Hold the 50, I'm nifty. Pow, got a new style.
Watch out now.
I hate motherfuckers claiming that they folded, man, but steady talking shit in the holding tank. First you wanna step to me, now your ass swimming for the deputy. They send you to Charlie Baker, Denver Road. Now they running up in you slow. You're gone, used to be the dime wine. Now your name is just Twine. Switching, snapping, rolling your eyes and neck. You better run a check. Chickity check yourself before you wreck yourself. Chickity